So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a pyramid chart here on the Visme mobile application. So once you're into the Visme app, go to the bottom right and press on the blue circle, then press on charts and graphs under project type right in the middle. Now, as you can tell, a whole bunch of different graphs show up. So what I want you to do is slide this bar a little bit to the right until you come across this option right here beside Mecho charts and cone charts that say pyramid charts. Press on pyramid charts right here. Now what you can do is either select a blank template if you wish, or what you can do as well is slide down and find a graphic of your choosing to sort of base your pyramid chart off of. So if you wanted to do this one right here, talking about the sports right here, go ahead to the top right and press on whatever graphic you want. Once that is done, it's now going to create the graphic and then put this graphic into your project. So it's going to take a couple seconds, but once that is done, which you will see very shortly here, it's going to be a pretty straightforward process. But that's how you guys can create a pyramid chart here on Visme. So what you can do now is you can add your own graphics, you can add your own data, you can add your own colors, your own information, whatever the case may be. Create the graphic as your own. But that's how you guys can create a pyramid chart here on the Visme mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.